Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Rolling Stones again. Mother's Little Helper. Oh boy. What a drag it is getting old. Kids are different today. I hear every mother say, mother needs something today to calm her down. And though she's not really ill, there's a little yellow pill. And go running for the shelter of your mother's little helper. And it helps her on her way, gets her through her busy day. Things are different today. I hear every mother say, cooking fresh food for her husband's just a drag. So she buys an instant cake and she burns a frozen steak and goes running for the shelter of her mother's little helper. And it helps her on her way, gets her through her busy day. Doctor, please, some more of these outside the door. She took 4 more. What a drag it is getting old. Men just aren't the same today. I hear every mother say they just don't appreciate that you get tired. It's so hard to satisfy. You can tranquilize your mind and go running for the shelter of a mother's little helper. Help you through the night, help you minimize your plight. Doctor, please, some more of these outside the door. She took 4 more. What a drag it is getting old. Life's just much too hard today. I hear every mother say the pursuit of happiness just seems a bore. And if you take more of those, you will get an overdose. No more running to the shelter of the mother's little helper. They'll just help you on your way through your busy dying day. Hey! Oh. Yeah, man.